In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Capcut ID efficiently in just 5 minutes. If you're a frequent user of Capcut, you might already know that having a Capcut ID can open up a world of possibilities, but if you're new, you're in for a treat. Capcut ID serves as your account's unique username, and it's integral to getting the most out of your editing experience. Let's dive into why it's so useful and how you can start benefiting from it today. First off, what exactly is Capcut ID used for? Well, your Capcut ID allows you to seamlessly save your projects in the cloud. This means that no matter where you are or which device you're using, you can access all your saved edits without any hassle. Additionally, it allows you to share templates effortlessly. Whether you're collaborating with friends or just looking to inspire others with your creativity, having a simple way to share can make a big difference. It also enables you to log in across different devices, so your work is never tied down to just one piece of hardware. Lastly, and perhaps most excitingly for those who are active on social media, is the ability to sync with TikTok. This means your content can be directly exported and shared on TikTok, keeping your workflow smooth and uninterrupted. Now let's get started on how to make use of your Capcut ID. The first step is to open Capcut on your iPhone. Once you have the app open, you'll need to tap on the profile icon, which you'll find at the bottom right of the screen. This will take you to a new screen where you'll be prompted to log in. You have a few different options for logging in. You can choose to do so using your TikTok account, Apple ID, or Facebook. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can also create a dedicated Capcut account. It's very straightforward, and whichever option you choose depends largely on your personal preference and the accounts you already have set up. Once you're logged in, the magic starts happening. You'll immediately see your Capcut ID displayed right under your profile name. This ID is going to be your reference point for all things Capcut related. With this setup, you're now ready to start saving projects, sharing templates, logging into Capcut from anywhere, and syncing your stunning videos to TikTok. It's as easy as that. To wrap it up, Capcut ID is not just an ordinary username. It's a powerful tool that elevates your editing experience, offering convenience, flexibility, and a creative synergy with TikTok. Thanks for watching, and go make something amazing.